Hey everyone, in this quick video, I show you how Zaptroll automatically protects your social media from toxic and abusive comments so you can always have a focus on creating content, not moderating it. So let's get started. First, let's connect a social account. Here in the Zaptroll dashboard, I'll click on the connect account and then I'll click on the connect Instagram business account. Approve all the required permissions and select the Facebook page that has an Instagram link. That's it. The account is connected. And if you don't know how to link the Instagram to a Facebook page, we already have a separate video on that. Now, here's the magic begins, the automations. Just flip this switch and Zaptroll takes care of the rest. So from the hiding abusive comments to prevent and delete the Instagram comments automatically. So everything runs in the background, saving your energy and your time. If you are a creator and tired of trolls, then try Zaptroll today. Links is in the description. There's always free plan available on the Zaptroll, and if you use a coupon forever50, then you will get a 50% off on all the premium plans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.